Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh White here, and you're watching another episode of the JDub Twins. Today we're going to be doing a sample exhaust sound clip for you guys, because I know before some of you were saying that it sounded like I was babying the exhaust a little bit, so I just wanted to kind of let it rip a little harder this time around. Keep in mind, for whatever reason, the RPMs will not go over 4,500 to 5,000 RPMs for whatever reason. It might be some type of safety feature for the automatics, or a safety feature for the 2018 and up Mustang GT models in general. But anyways, yeah, here we go. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Again, just a quick exhaust clip for y'all to hear the different modes, quiet, normal, sport, and track. Please, if you like the content, like it, share with your friends, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe. Please continue to watch and stay tuned for the next episode. Alright, bye.